Hey guys, how is everybody doing? And thanks for joining me here. And today, this will be maybe a quick session, but yeah, I really want to talk about a few things: US dollar, silver, Bitcoin, maybe Japanese yen, US equities. And if you have questions, I'm waiting also for messages in that chat. Because first of all, I will talk maybe about silver because. Today I've talked about silver shorts, a new downside movement, and a new sell-off in my daily video analysis. First of all, don't forget to read the disclaimer. As you already know. What? Where is gold? Okay, so read disclaimer, and if you have questions, you can send an email to support. Thank you. So I will close this window and. Also economic calendar, silver, first of all. So today I was looking at something like this, okay, and yeah, it would have been a really good good setup here. And yeah, hello, Diego. About US 100. What about US 100? About US 100? Adam Queen, hi Olympia, please can you provide your opinion on yeah, on crude oil? Was looking at a buy with a TP. Okay, thank you guys for your messages. I will take a look on gold. I will take a look on US 100. I will take a look on US oil. First of all, yeah, so today I've talked about silver, yeah, and I've said that it has reached the supply zone, supply area, and yeah, it seems that I've made a mistake. I will delete this one from here because it's yeah, it would have been really good and amazing setup today. Don't worry, yeah, I didn't send this setup and this trade only because we had the BOE and the ECB press conference, and I've told you that anything could happen. The volatility could be high, and but technically today I would have entered a short position here normally, but here in the short term, yeah, it has we had the first reaction here, and this pin bar here, it has signaled something. And yeah, personally, maybe I would have liked it to place a pending order maybe here below this former low after this this pin bar, false breakout with great separation above those highs, aggressive breakdown here, and still yeah, it would have been amazing to go short that market, to go maybe short with a sell stop here or something on lower time frames. But maybe personally, technically, guys, it would have been amazing. Okay, only because yeah, the price dropped it. But the reason why I wanted maybe here confirmation below the former low, okay, because we had this rally, a retreat, okay, and here I would have liked after this this breakdown, after dropping and closing below 24.322, I would have liked the price to come back to retest or here temporary rebound before entering short. Technically, okay, I needed or actually I wanted to see confirmation before going short. Yeah, maybe this is trading, guys, okay, because if I would have placed it maybe a sell stop, or if I would have placed it a sell at market without confirmation here, and I've told you that anything could happen around the high impact events, and if the price it would have turned it against me, yeah, you would have said, yeah, what a bad trader you are. But yeah, I wanted confirmation maybe here. And unfortunately the price action didn't confirm maybe my scenario or my setup here. In the short term we had an aggressive sell-off. Yeah, it would have been really good for a yeah, sell stop here maybe, or sell at market after this this false breakdown breakout with great separation, which it was confirmed here. So yeah, but yeah, the scenario was good. The scenario was perfect. The scenario was the same as gold in the previous days when I've had a pending order in gold. Unfortunately, I've deleted that pending order before developing a major leg higher. So yeah, the setup was good, and I will come back with a trade using the setup, using the setup, or the same thought process or something. And yeah, it's fine. Even if I've missed this opportunity here, I will come back with something maybe after the price will hit this demand zone here, or probably right now, maybe later today, if the price will hit maybe this demand zone here, maybe I will catch something like this here. Yeah, maybe I will catch a new potential swing higher and leg higher. Can you provide your opinion on gold in the next hour? Thank you. So about gold, let's take a look on gold. And please understand that I will not tell you what to do, but I will share my opinion. As you already know, I'm not a financial advisor. I will share my opinion only. And don't forget, guys, to like the video, of course, if you like my work here. And yeah, it was a really big miss on silver, but yeah, it's important that yeah, the market is moving in my direction, and that I'm looking for high probability setups. And even if I've missed some opportunities, or even if I've I don't know, managed my position, maybe I had break even or something, and then the price moved in my direction, maybe next time, yeah, I will catch the move, really important moves, big moves. And yeah, this is what it's important in for the upcoming period. So about gold, you saw that silver crashed, gold crashed as well, okay, and I don't know, for now it seems that it has invalidated. Maybe we had I believe that we had something here like a demand zone. I believe that we had something like a demand zone here above the former lows, here around this imbalance, okay, a strong imbalance here, a strong demand zone. But right now the price dropped below it, so rebound, and right now it has closed below it, so it could still drop in the short term, only because right now, let's take a look on the dollar index. Yeah, Remo, news have been messing up all our trades this week. Yeah, guys, so yeah, news, high impact events, and news indicators and data, guys. Also silver, yeah, silver dropped also because we had BOE, ECB, ECB press conference. Anything could happen, guys. That's why it's risky to trade. Of course, if someone wanted to go short on silver, to risk on potential trade here, a potential sell-off, yeah, right now it's in deep profits. Maybe, yeah, it would have maybe I've made a mistake not to go short, even if we had those high impact events, because it has reached strong resistance, only a pin bar, false breakout with great separation. But please take a look here on 1 hour. Yeah, what a massive drop. And here maybe it was too late to go short, because the price could turn to the upside or something. But yeah, it has continued to drop. So about gold, but don't worry, as long as lately, guys, I'm using something else. I've told you, I don't know, in November, December, that I'm looking for potential new setups. I'm looking for, or actually I will use a new strategy. But also here, yeah, we had, because using also only the smart money concept or liquidity sweep, please take a look here, okay? We had an imbalance here, a strong imbalance. Maybe, yeah, we had a strong demand zone here, but the price could take out a demand zone, okay? The price could take out a supply zone. The price could take out a resistance or a support. That's why I know, yeah, I'm talking a lot about a confirmation, right? I'm talking about confirmation. Right now, I'm still working on something really, really good because to have more than one confirmation, because yeah, I know that because the conditions, guys, in the market could be different, okay? That's why yeah, the sentiment, the conditions could be different. Anything is different, okay? We are so that's why I'm looking, and I will have a good strategy, a confluence strategy. I've talked about it, a confluence strategy, not only using only, I don't know, pitchfork or smart money concept or liquidity swap or I don't know, support, resistance, static, dynamic or something. Personally, I will have a mix between all these, trying to identify high probability trades and yeah, to be in the correct direction, okay? Also fundamentals, a lot of also indicators, tools, yeah, a lot of great stuff. And about gold, yeah, it has invalidated this demand here, breakdown, new lower low. So yeah, in my opinion, it could approach and reach maybe at least maybe 1911, or also the lower medium line here. And this lower medium line could act as a potential dynamic support, okay? Check the nice setup on Australian dollar. What setup? Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. I'm not trading on that market. I don't have an opinion about that market. I'm not trading on that market. So gold, it could still drop. Okay, it could still drop. Let's take a look. Dollar index, and you already know from my analysis that personally I'm using this maybe correlation, negative correlation between the dollar index or the US dollar and gold and silver, okay? And when the dollar index increases, rallies, then the price of gold could drop. So right now, I wanted to talk about the dollar index, okay? So also using this this indicator and liquidity swap or sweep or smart money concept, yeah, it has reached here. We had a reaction, okay, after reaching this imbalance, strong imbalance. Maybe also if we'll take a look here, yeah, a sell-off, but right now, yeah, it has reached probably an imbalance zone here, on a block here, and then it has rebounded. So if the dollar index will extend its growth in the short term, and making a new higher high, invalidating this supply zone here, then probably the price of gold could still drop a little. But right now, as long as it stays below the supply zone, maybe it could only retest here before turning to the downside. And a potential new sell-off here on the dollar index, yeah, will help the price of gold, the yellow metal, to come back higher, okay, to rebound. So I will keep an eye on this former low. Probably we had also something here. If we'll take a look maybe on lower time frame, let's take a look. Yeah, as I've said, what? No, let's take a look here. No, probably not. Yeah, as I've said, but right now, personally, I will look. I've said that maybe silver could turn to the upside after reaching the near term demand zone here. Okay, let's wait to see how it will react. Also, silver and here gold, maybe it will have to drop to come back down and to reach these blocks here, demand zones, okay, before rebounding. But it remains to see how it will react here. Yeah, right now I've told you it's still under strong bearish pressure, and I don't want to do anything. Maybe only when it will reach these support levels, only false breakdowns, it could rebound or something. But right now, yeah. So that's my opinion about gold. US oil. Yeah, it's still under pressure. It's still bearish. probably I'll wait for the price, or yeah, on the lower time frames. I don't know, but on lower time frames, it's still under pressure. But after this this rebound, let's take a look. Rebound here, but the pressure is still high, and maybe it could still come back down, and probably I will look for longs after it will approach and reach this zone, or I will look for potential shorts if it will come back higher or something. But right now, yeah, maybe I will delete my pitchfork also, because right now, yeah, maybe on lower time frames, but I don't know. No, I don't have a really good setup. I don't like to maybe to trade these, but also maybe this could be, or this could represent a flag pattern in the short term. Let's take a look. But I would have, maybe I would like the price to retest here to register false breakouts and then to turn to the downside or something like this. Because right now, no, I don't want to sell it, because we have a demand zone here on the on lower time frames. It could only drop here before jumping higher, okay? And taking out the supply zones and making a new higher high, it could signal potential growth towards that area, as I've said earlier today. Or, yeah, I would like to see here retest before boom, turn it to the downside, okay? Because it's still bearish in the short term. So US 100 for you guys, and then I will talk about the US dollar, Japanese yen, Bitcoin. If you have questions, guys, and don't forget to like the video. I don't know if I'll have something really good, but I will keep an eye on silver for a potential long. So US 100. US 100 can drop. I don't know. Right now it seems that it's bullish. It's strongly bullish. Okay. It seems that US 100 is it's strongly bullish. It remains to see how to react here around 12,879. Yeah. Only false breakouts or retest here, or a bearish pattern here around this key level may signal a potential rebound. It seems that yeah, if we'll take a look also on 1 hour, but I will still keep an eye on that level, because we had a strong imbalance here. Yeah, of course, after this growth, but probably here, but only if the price will invalidate, or if it will take out this resistance on US 100. Okay, on US 100 right now, no, I don't want to do anything here. Strong rally, strong growth, strong upwards movement. Australian dollar, US dollar, please. What about that market? How do you trade on fundamental days? Do you have open position on them, or do you what? Do you have any tips? Thank you. So for Tusik, how do you trade on fundamental days? If you take a look on the economic calendar, we had high impact events also on Tuesday, yesterday as well, today as well, and also very important, tomorrow we'll have high impact events as well. But yeah, I'm trading. Okay, we'll have before the US Open, we'll have the unemployment rate, non-farm payrolls, non-farm employment change, average hourly earnings, and later in the US session we'll have the ISM services PMI. And yeah, of course I will place trades no, I will also place trades maybe in the morning, around the London Open, yeah, and yeah, probably I will manage my positions only, okay, right before the US data dump, okay. Maybe I don't want to keep a full risk trade during the non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, also around ISM services PMI, only because anything could happen, right? If the US data will come in better than expected, then the US dollar could grow, okay, could appreciate versus its rivals. And of course, if I'm short on the USD before the data, better than expected data will move the market against me, right? Or if I will be long on the US dollar before the economic data, and then if the US will report worse than expected data, then the markets will turn against me. So yeah, this is the thing. And yeah, of course I will place trades tomorrow morning if I'll have something really good, and probably I will manage my trades right before, before the non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, ISM services PMI, right? So this is my strategy. There are also strategies how to trade maybe right after the non-farm payrolls, or how to trade an example on Euro USD. Only an example, okay? I will delete my drawings. Let's say that I don't know, the market, or let's take an example here. The market moves sideways, okay? We have a range before the non-farm payrolls, okay? The price is here at the half of this range probably, okay? And let's say that I want to place a buy stop maybe here, okay? If the economic data will come in worse than expected, then probably the Euro USD will grow, okay, and then it will hit my entry, and probably it will extend its growth, okay. This is one scenario. Or probably I could place also a sell. I will place also a sell stop. Okay, a sell stop and a buy stop. Okay, if the price reaches my my buy stop, if the data will come in worse than expected, then probably the price could grow, and I will delete this sell stop. Or if the US data will come in better than expected, then probably the US dollar will take the lead, will appreciate, and then it will hit my my sell stop. Yeah, and I will delete my buy stop. Okay, and yeah, but it's risky because you already know from my analysis from around high impact events that most likely will have sharp movements in both directions, and that's why yeah, it's risky to trade and to keep trades or to place trades right before the high impact events, or right after. Yeah, okay. About what about gold, sir, tomorrow? About silver tomorrow? I don't know. It's premature to say something, but what can I say here about gold? Yeah, gold and silver. In my opinion, guys, if tomorrow, guys, if the US data will come in worse than expected, okay, yeah, the unemployment rate is expected to increase from 3.5 to 3.6, okay. If it will, I don't know, maybe if it will jump to 3.7 or something, this could be bad for the US dollar, and maybe gold will appreciate, okay. Non-farm payrolls worse compared to the previous reporting period, if it will come worse than expected after because also ADP non-farm employment change came in worse than expected, okay, worse than expected on Wednesday. So if the non-farm payrolls will come in worse than expected as well, then probably gold and silver will turn to the upside. Will probably gold and silver will register a strong growth, okay. You are right, gold came to almost, yeah, yeah, I've told you guys that it has invalidated this demand zone here. It has ignored this imbalance here. it has taken out these downside obstacles, and yeah, right now it will hit that static support, former low, and probably it will hit also the lower medium line. Yeah, I said that it could approach and reach these levels, because yeah, it was probably normal here, but maybe you are wondering why. Now, if you said that it will continue to drop here, why are you not short? Why you didn't place the selling position here? But no, it was too late maybe to place a position here for me. Okay, for me it was too late, because if I didn't catch the entire sell-off here, or the entire move here, it was too late. Okay, it was too late. I will look maybe only for longs, for new buying opportunities after this sell-off will be over. Okay, so this is my opinion about tomorrow. Let's take a look. So US 100, I've talked about US 100. I will keep an eye on US 100 here on 12,879, and it remains to see how it will react around that level. Dollar index. Yeah, after this rebound, here on 1 hour, yeah, probably I would like the price to come back here or here before it will turn to the downside, before selling the US dollar. I've said that I'm looking for potential US dollar shorts. Okay, US dollar shorts, but right now, only because I cannot monitor the trades during the Asian session, because yeah, I will be out. Okay, I don't know if I want to place a USD short right now, but I'll wait. Let's take a look. If I will have something really good, I will place a trade, but I don't know if I'll have something really good right now as a US dollar short. Okay, Euro USD. Yeah, it has found support, but it remains to see how it will react here. 1.0888, because dropping and closing below it will come back down. Okay, here towards this zone. Or if it stays above this former low, if it prints something here, then it could turn to the upside. Okay, but yeah, I will keep an eye only on lower time frames to see how it will react here. But right now, after closing, guys, because we had this imbalance here, we had a demand zone here in the short term, but right now on the lower time frames, it was invalidated after dropping and closing below these former lows. Yeah, because it has closed it here below that support. Okay, so yeah, so Euro USD, I still need that confirmation on the dollar index. Yeah, please take a look at what happened yesterday here. I was long here. I've managed my position after I noticed here that the price failed to extend its growth here, failed to take out 1.2338. okay, that former high, it has failed. Sell off, and then after the FOMC rally, right now a sell-off, a strong sell-off. Probably I will look for potential longs after reaching this zone here, this area, this demand zone, and yeah, actually, yeah, strong imbalance maybe here. I will keep an eye on British pound US dollar, and yeah, let's hope that I will have something real good here as a high probability trade after reaching this zone, this area here. Probably I will catch a new leg higher. Okay. So yeah, tomorrow high impact events, and I will go live also tomorrow, and I will try to identify something and I will try to place at least a trade. Today I didn't had something really good, that's why I didn't send anything today. But yeah, when you don't have something really good, yeah, it's fine, you can stay away. Yeah, I don't want to force it. I don't want to place trades only because I don't know. So US dollar Japanese yen. US dollar Japanese yen. Retest. Only false breakdowns here. No. No. I don't want to sell it right now. Maybe I'll wait for the price to come back higher, or I don't know, to make a very breakdown here. But right now I don't have a high probability trade that range. Bitcoin. But guys, are you interested in Bitcoin, in cryptocurrencies? Yeah, here on 4 hour, guys, I want to talk about this this supply zone. This supply zone right now. Here on 4 hour, it has reached the supply zone, but it could still come back inside of this supply zone again before turning to the downside or something, because right now in the short term, test, retest, accumulation, consolidation, it has signaled maybe strong buyers, strong upside pressure, strong imbalance here. Yeah, so right now it could still extend its growth in the short term, but Simon, we got an entry in the crypto group at 24,000 short. Okay, Simon, personally I'm sharing my opinion here because yeah, I thought that you are interested also in cryptocurrencies, and please understand that personally I'm not managing those groups. Okay, I'm not managing those groups. I'm not sending crypto signals. I don't have time also to to work on cryptocurrencies, because yeah, that's why we are there is another trader for the crypto channels, for the VIP crypto channel, for the free crypto channel. So yeah, I've told you, it has reached the supply. We had this this pin bar here. That's a false breakout with a great separation above 23,954. It remains to see, okay, because I've told you, after this accumulation, consolidation, yeah, maybe the pressure is still high here, okay. So I will not tell you what to do. It's your call if you follow it, that trade, that short from 24,000. I understand your crypto bot is kicking some serious ass right now. Some amazing results you guys are showing. I'm very interested in that. My friend is testing it out now. Yeah. Maybe I will talk about this crypto bot in the next days. Maybe I will tell you much more. Yeah, and yeah, I've said that personally right now I'm not managing those groups, crypto groups, or I'm not working here at Learn to Trade on cryptocurrencies. But yeah, also yeah. It seems that that system is really great. So yeah, if you are interested in that crypto bot, you can you can buy that that service. You can join the Telegram groups, and you can copy those trades. And yeah, so this is my opinion right now at resistance here. At resistance after this false breakout, if it stays here below this former high, yeah, to test retest, then it could turn to the downside. But it seems that we already had here in the short term, maybe we already, but yeah, it has invalidated here. It has invalidated here this this demand zone. But yeah, maybe only a false breakdown. Yeah, the upside pressure is still high, guys, so that's why personally I don't know, maybe I will look for potential shorts if it will print something here, or I will look for longs if it will retreat. Right now I don't want to do anything here at resistance, okay, because it's at resistance. Let's take a look also here on Ethereum. Also here on Ethereum, beta test is retested here, and it has tested retested here. Also value breakout, strong imbalance here, and taking out maybe this former high could signal potential growth towards that zone, towards this area. Also here in Ethereum. So yeah, this scenario could take shape if the price of Bitcoin will extend its growth. Okay, strong imbalance here after retesting a demand zone here. Retest, boom. Okay, so sorry. So this is my opinion here. Okay, Australian dollar, US dollar. Yeah, I will take a look on that market as well. Australian dollar, US dollar, because someone asked me about that market. But please, guys, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at, guys. So what do you want me to say about this market? Do you want me to take a look on 1 hour, on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 month? Are you a buyer? Are you a seller? You want to buy? You want to sell? So please, guys, yeah. Okay, probably after this sell-off, yeah, I've said that I'm looking for potential US dollar shorts. So yeah, I'm looking for potential maybe longs here on this market, but I'll wait for this retreat to end, maybe here. Okay, let's wait, because here we had this this strong imbalance, but it seems that the indicator is not showing us something really good. So here or here maybe, but yeah, we had a strong imbalance, so a strong demand maybe here. Maybe it will find strong demand around this zone, around this area, but right now it's still far above it. I want the price to hit it before turning to the upside. So right now, yeah, as long as the dollar index continues to grow, only a new sell-off could bring us new US dollar shorts. Let's take a look also yen basket. Yen basket. It's almost to hit my upper medium line here on 1 hour. On 1 hour, guys. I don't know if I'll have something here, but right now temporary retreats could bring us maybe new Japanese yen longs. Michelle, Australian dollar, US dollar, and gold charts look similar. Yeah. Let's take a look. 1 hour. 1 hour, and we can here on TradingView, guys, you can compare, yeah, with let's take a look. You can compare it to, yeah, an upside movement, sell off, a new rally, a new sell off, only because guys, that's why personally I like to use that correlation, okay, between a dollar index, so the US dollar, and gold or silver, because when the US dollar, okay, when the US dollar appreciates, please take a look here, okay, the US dollar appreciated, right? The price of gold will drop, okay? It's not the same move. It's not, if the price of gold will drop 10% or 1%, it doesn't mean that Australian dollar US dollar will drop 1%, okay? But yeah, I'm using this correlation, and please take a look here, yeah, 1911. It tries to rebound. Let's see, let's wait. Probably it will have to hit this zone before turning to the upside, okay? Okay, silver, let's take a look here, because I've had that that demand zone on lower time frames using this indicator, okay? Because this indicator helps me a lot, but I'm not trading only based on this indicator. I will not place, guys, I will not place buy limits at every imbalance or something, or buy sell limits. No, I need setups, I need confirmation, yeah, because I don't want to use an indicator alone, or only an indicator, or only a tool or something. But yeah, also here in silver, it could rebound after reaching this zone, this area. Okay guys, it seems that I don't have something really good right now. I'll keep an eye on silver, and I will come back with a potential trade if I'll have something. Yeah, tomorrow I will go live, and also I will come back with at least a high probability trade. And yeah, let's hope that we'll catch something really good, yeah, because today we've missed this this sell-off. I've talked about it in my daily video analysis, and that's why it's important, guys. That's why it's important, guys, to join my webinars, to watch all my videos. Maybe you can identify something, or you can understand how to read the markets, or maybe you will identify a potential opportunity or something. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Have a great day, or have a great night, and I'll come back tomorrow, and yeah, with high probability trades, setups, and we'll talk also about non-farm payrolls, because the US data will really shake the markets tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, and bye bye.